Downloading a video from LinkedIn is one of those activities that you come across once in a while. You found this great article from somebody, it contains a video and you want to reuse that video for your own purposes, for example, a presentation. But LinkedIn doesn't make it very easy to do it because LinkedIn already knows there is intellectual property involved because somebody put a lot of effort in making that video. But there are 3 methods that you can use to just easily download the video for your own use. 1 is using a Chrome plugin. 2 is using a website and actually an online application to download the LinkedIn video. And the 3rd method is using a program, an application on your own computer to download it. Some are free, some are paid solutions. It's depending on what your choice is and how many times in a row you need to do this. So, option number 1. Option number 1 is using a Chrome plugin to download a video from LinkedIn. You just go to the web store, and if you look for a LinkedIn video downloader, it gives you 2 options. Doesn't really matter which one if you want to invest a lot of time in there to find out which one is working for you, but if you do this once or twice a year, this is fine. I already installed it, so the video downloader for LinkedIn. And when you load the page, it gives you on the video a small new icon which says download. You click it, it just starts downloading to your default download folder. And you can pick it up and use it for your own purposes. Second option for downloading a LinkedIn video is using a application. I will put some links in the description. It works like this. You go to the 3 dots, you say here copy the LinkedIn post URL. You go to the LinkedIn video downloader and you can paste the URL in that line. You need to give it a moment. These things work also on ads. So it identified it. It's indeed a correct video format, and it will give you also. And here you just can download the video. And this is probably the most easiest way to do it with. So number 3 is using a application on your own computer. I have Snap Downloader installed. You can also use it for some other applications, and there's a free trial, so feel free to use it. I'm not an affiliate of this program. It just found it. It works okay. Remember, this is a paid solution if you want to use it for a longer period, and if you want to doing this frequently, it's worthwhile investing a $50 I think lifetime for in this program, because it saves you a lot of time. Works the same way as the online application. You just put the LinkedIn URL in there. It says search. You can trim it, you can schedule it, and you can also just download it. You will see it. This is a small video, so it downloads quite quickly. And it says here 3 videos are completed, and you can just go and show it in your folder because it's in your download folder. I hope these LinkedIn tips make your life as a LinkedIn professional a little bit easier, and you can just go on to the next LinkedIn tip.